Well, it seems like winter has arrived. It's been pretty cold the whole week and now it is snowing. Which is pretty much irrelevant for us because we're just inside doing all of the cabling and drilling open the walls still. So one example of like how we're doing this is here in this kitchen space. So there's going to be like worktop here, and then oven, and then sink, and then dishwasher, and then fridge in this corner. And here, for example, we have the fridge's own power supply. And for the dishwasher, we're just going to have the cable coming out of the estrich when we've got that in, and same for the oven, so that it's flexible. We don't have it in one fixed point, so we can move it a little bit around if we need to. Like here is a good example. So here we've got a 2.5 and a 2 in there. So the 2.5 is going to be connected to a different light circle, so we can have a couple more cables in there, making it a bit thicker. And that's also used for higher power kitchen devices like big ovens or whatever. And so we put this in place, the electrical box for taking control of this sector of the house. Out here in the main apartment upstairs here, the box is going to go here, and that will take care of this whole sector. So yeah, now we've basically mapped out all of the plugs, like internet, power plugs everywhere, light switches, and kind of like got a feel of how the lights are going to look, where they're going to come down and all this kind of stuff. So now it's just getting on, putting in the plastic, like holders for the switches and sockets, and then we can really like start putting the cables like we've just done. So like in some places like this one up there, where we've got a lot of corners, we've pulled the cable now through early, which is hopefully going to help us in the long term. Yeah, it's a beautiful sunny day outside, about 2 degrees. Snow has fallen again overnight. Well, the mountain's looking great. So I'm using these connectors for the hoses. When the hose is already pre-planned coming out of the ceiling, we can connect it then to a new hose coming further down. They just sort of snap in, really useful. So we got the one electrical box fitted now, and a lot of cabling to do. This could be the last one that I put into a brick wall. So we've added the bare bones of the electrical cupboard and a power plug. So we're basically ready to go. Just need the team from Salzburg AG to come and connect our power. That should happen hopefully before Christmas. Just picking up some supplies from our plumber supplier. Hopefully it'll be enough. Okay, a little bit more. This is the danger of bringing Pep to the plumber shop. Anyway, he's done the calculations, so he should know exactly what we need. Seems like a lot. And it is a lot, but it's a big house too, so it just keeps going on and on and on. We'll need it. And if what we don't need, we can always bring back, so that's always a plus. Well, it's amazing how time flies. I mean, it seems only a short while ago that we were digging a hole in the ground in the middle of summer, and now, well, it's changed quite a bit, hasn't it? But winter's here. Even my pile of brick dust and everything is under what seems to be like 10 centimeters of snow now, and over the weekend it's just kept snowing, so looking pretty nice. Everything's just white. Yeah, we're starting now on the drain pipes and the ventilation systems for the toilets and the bathrooms. Alright, well here we've got the toilet and it's quite a good model, quite a new one. We've got here on the left, you can see this pipe coming in. That's going to carry the power, and these are the water going back up to the tank at the top, and they will run a pipe through those as well. So they're basically like hoses for a pipe. Why we've got power here is basically so that we can have like a bidet function on there as well, and that means there's always going to be like a connection if we add that later on or straight away to the toilet type. Then of course the drain is going to go down there through there, and this pipe here on the right side is part of the extractor fan system. So that's this one going right up to the fan itself, which not only takes air from the room but also from the bowl. So once you've flushed, the water comes from the tank through here and out into the bowl, and then when there's no water running and the extraction fan is on, the air is then drawn back up here too, so reduces of course unpleasant smells. So it's pretty good, and it's quite a thin model as well. It's about 12 centimeters deep, so it doesn't take up too much space. This is the second one up here, and you'll notice these brackets. These brackets have been put in place for the sink installation, so they're basically the right height to hold the sink. And for the shower, basically like any kind of water fittings. Up here we've got the other extraction fan, and it's going through the wall here and through the wall there for the other toilet. And there's another shower on the back of this wall. So yeah, it took a lot of bricks to be cut and drilled through to make this work, but it is working. It's going to be good.